Hello and welcome to the channel and welcome back to the boat build. Now this is not a full video. We haven't done too much due to weather. I mean, raining in Britain. Who'd have thought it? Not me. But anyway, the work we have done is turn this from green to orange. How have we done that? Well, we've sanded the hull and it's looking pretty nice. Obviously it's got to be painted, but here is a little clip of us sanding the hull. The other thing is, the console has arrived. Check that out. So we have had the console from Ribs for You, very good friends of ours, and they've done a fantastic job. Really happy with it. Took about 4 to 5 weeks. They are made to order, so absolutely perfect job. Now, one other thing is, we have a deck, well, half a deck. The timber has been cut and it has got a layer of resin on to protect it, but it hasn't actually been installed yet. Because now we've got the console, we need to figure out where this is going properly. This is somewhere in the region where it's going, but then we need to measure where the fuel tanks are going underneath, so we can bring up the fuel filler pipes and things like that. And then once the tanks have been made, they can be installed under the deck, and the deck can go on properly and be fiberglassed in. But yeah, things are moving, and which is good. When the fuel tanks are underneath and fitted, the deck will be fiberglassed in, but so will the console itself. We're going to fiberglass this rim to the deck so it won't go anywhere. Now, regarding the engine, we have put down a deposit for a Suzuki 300. However, supplies are very low. There's a possibility this year in September that there may be one come into the country. If not, it may be next year. We don't know. We're in Suzuki's hands. So please, Suzuki, please, can we have one as soon as possible? Please. Regarding the tubes, they are now completed. Thank you very much to Northwest Ribs and Inflatables in Chorley. And all we have to do is go and fetch them, basically. So in the next week or so we will be doing that. But for now, we have two things that we have picked up. First one is from icom. We have an IC M400 BBE. Absolutely great radio. We will do a full unboxing of this in another video, don't you worry. And also you will see us fitting it to the console. But thank you icom for sending that through. The second thing is a raymarine Axiom 9-inch with transducer. Cannot wait to fit this. It won't be using this stand that's with it. We'll be fitting it flush into the console. Cannot wait. We'll do another video for unboxing this, and you will also see it being fitted. But for now, that is your update on the boat build. So thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe, share the video. Tell your friends, tell everybody what we're doing, and we will see you in the next one. Also, for more updates, visit www.challengebritain.uk. and we will start to keep, it's a brand new website, so we're going to keep blogging on there, giving you updates, putting pictures on there, along with all social media at Challenge Britain. But for now, hit that like button, hit that bell, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Just before I go, the hull's got to be painted still. I'm thinking either grey or dark royal blue. Comment below what you think.